So fall is in the air, and this has been going pretty well. Now, I was gonna video completely how I built this release mechanism for the space shuttle. However, I went through so many renditions of it, I don't even know where to start. I used so many renditions in this model that this is probably rendition number 5, I would think. I did one servo release, I did a release at the bottom of the shuttle. At one point, I was even using one of those wall socket adapters to USB cable that you can plug into a wall socket, one of those. I was using that to keep the shuttle on the front end. But then I found this piece of cardboard that I put there, and it actually works pretty well. Now, the reason I'm doing 2 of these release mechanisms is when I had one, the shuttle would tend to go the one direction that the release mechanism was going. And also, I wanted it to be even more secure. So without further ado, let's see how it works now. So that test proved conclusively that this will work. Now what we have to do now is put the wings on it and actually try it during flight, because I want to see how it will work with aerodynamic forces. So let's go do that. Try number 2 with a 3-cell. Yeah, the shuttle went off. Oh! Yes, it worked! So now the sun's starting to come out. So let's go up to the school playground and let's go fly it and see just how well it separates in the air. Well, the shuttle separation didn't go as planned. I don't even think I had it on camera. The tail's bent, and my plane's stuck on a roof. How do you like this overhead look of my flying field. This is where I fly, it's a school. Full throttle wouldn't get the airplane back, and it's, as you might tell, it's a little bit windy. But let me just get over here. I'm gonna be careful, viewers. Look over the edge. I kept my airplane from crashing into that. There's no way to get there. So luckily I saved it from getting there, but I landed on the roof. And I forgot to bring my transmitter up here, so that means it's gonna be very dangerous getting this down. I could just throw it though. Alright, the plane's down, but how do I get down? That's where I really feel it. Let's bring it back. And we have landing of the shuttle. So that concludes this episode of Aerospace Matt. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys around next video, because that's going to be pretty sweet. Now, I do have a plan to make this space shuttle RC. Unfortunately, the parts that I was going to make it RC with may or may not have been placed inside this airplane here. These exact servos were meant to go in here, but I kind of wanted to make this airplane here, so I did that. But I will be making an RC space shuttle in the near future. This, I did learn, actually is more of a flying brick. If you saw some of those final drops, it just fell flat. Hopefully I'll be able to correct that with having actual control surfaces on board. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys in the near future with an RC space shuttle.